Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to easily lock a PowerPoint presentation from editing in 2025. First, open PowerPoint on your computer and locate the presentation you want to protect. Make sure the file is open and ready to work with. Next, click on the File tab in the top left corner of the window. From here, go to Info to see important options for securing your document. Now, click on Protect Presentation. You can choose Mark as Final to make your presentation read-only, encrypt with password to require a password for editing or opening, or always open read-only to prompt viewers to open without editing. After choosing the method that works best for you, make sure to save your presentation so all settings are applied. And that's it. Your PowerPoint presentation is now protected, keeping your slides safe from unintended edits while you share them confidently. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.